Tinubu endorsements no go give am victory for 2027, ask Jonathan. Ali Ndume. Welcome, country people, to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go give you notice once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our video. Country people, one senator, Ali Mohammed Ndume, when they represent Borno South, he don remove himself from the recent endorsement of President Bola Tinubu for a second term. He say the political endorsement e no dey guarantee electoral victory. He dey talk this one on Sunday Politics on Channels Television. Ndume come refer to the failure of the re-election bid of former President Goodluck Jonathan for 2022, even when 22 governors from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) dey behind am. According to am, e dey for the meeting of APC northern leaders when they call. Im think say na summit they wan hold for political leaders, so he attend. But na there he come realize say no be summit, and they wan do voice vote to endorse Mr. President. He say na that time na he take waka comot. He say that one no mean say he no be APC member. He say the majority, they don't get their way. He say, but few of them, they feel say that thing is not correct. On May 22, 2025, 22 governors of the All Progressive Congress (APC) then publicly endorsed President Tinubu as their preferred candidate for the 2027 presidential race. However, Ndume, when he don be member of the National Assembly, starting from the House of Reps for over 2 decades, he come criticize the move, say the challenges wey dey Nigeria currently, e no demand President Tinubu to continue for office. He come dey point to the insecurity when e come dey worse every day. He say inflation dey. He say the cost of living crisis e don dey very high. That na why im see the endorsement say e dey premature. He say Nigerians no dey see hope. He say they dey doubt the renewed hope agenda. According to the senator, symbolic shows of support like endorsements, he say e no go show the sentiments of voters on the ground. He say e don happen before, not be once, not be twice. He say e happen during Jonathan time. He say that one not mean anything. He say politicians dey decamp. He say but the people when they vote, they no dey decamp. He come say im hope, say im go look back historically and im go see say the gathering of people to endorse you e no mean anything. He come go back to Jonathan time. He say President Goodluck Jonathan, he get 22 governors wey dey endorse am like wetin they don do now. He say wetin come happen? He say Jonathan lost woefully. He say they spend a lot of money, even they shift the election. He say but we no dey learn our lessons. He can say him pity Mr. President. Now, six-term legislator, now him be. Ndume start in career politically as a legislator for the House of Representatives in 2003. He dey represent the Shibok, Damboa, Goza Federal Constituency. Now there he can move to the Senate in 2011. And since that time till today, he dey represent Borno State and a Borno South constituency. Now there he dey represent. Country people, this talk of Ali Ndume na one talk when you no go fit gloss over, more so as na ranking senator and a senior member of the All Progressive Congress. So if in dey talk openly against the president of the country, when he also dey represent in political platform, e show say all not dey well with the APC as a party. But many Nigerians dey see Ndume say not be somebody when they go use in template to measure political leadership for Nigeria. Say because all these over 20 years, since 2003 to now, over 20 years for political leadership, wetin im don do to even address the insecurity for im own area, where im be the hotbed of Boko Haram and insurgency for the country. He say so he not get the moral compass to dey assess the president, but that in dey speak from one vantage position, like say na them dey determine who go be or who no go be. Some persons come dey talk say the reference when they make to Goodluck Jonathan so now 41. He said because Jonathan not lose election, even when INEC declare President Buhari then as the winner. He said Jonathan, he talk something, say he ambition not worth the blood of any Nigerian. That now why he concede election, defeat, so that make peace for day. Because then he don't get intelligence. They don't import, allegedly, people, foreigners from neighboring countries, make them come cause problems for Nigeria. Say because then the presidential candidate, when he contests with, don't talk, say blood go flow. So President Jonathan, he don't look am, say your ambition no water. So he not supposed to form historical template for people like Senator Ndume to use that one as yardstick. And also too, that 22 governors endorse Jonathan. It different from say 22 governors. They work for Jonathan's electoral victory. So that in template, it dey 40. Also too, people they say Ndume, now the problem where Nigeria get, they say people like them, for over 20 years, you don't dey that place, they represent your people. Now only you and they there. If the place they sweet you to return back, why you not believe say another person go still get that same entitlement? That now entitlement mentality, Now they worry the man and say these na people when he believe according to the slogan of their state, say they born them to rule. Others they talk say the comparison between Tinubu and Jonathan so it's in a mismatch that Jonathan na gentleman, say but Tinubu na rugged street man. Say Tinubu go play them street. He say make the watch am. One person they talk say in this setting, say Ndume not go return back to the Senate, but Tinubu he go win. He say so make you not compare Tinubu with Jonathan. He say the difference they very clear. Although others they applaud waiting Ali Ndume they talk. He say not many people go think of voting for APC, but they forget say the Ndume himself na APC too. Now he they represent. But one critical question when we they tend to forget by the political arrangement of 2 terms for North and 2 terms for South. South now don't they do 1 term. North they agitate, make power rotate, go that side because of this new coalition when they form with Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, El Rufai and the others. Will that arrangement work for today's Nigeria? Well, now only time nine go tell. Country people, how now they see this political development where Senator Dume they come out with in full chest. They say him pity Mr. President. Endorsements, according to her, he not go work like he not work for Jonathan time. If you get anything to add, put am for the comment section.